What's up traders, Tom here from Breakfree Trading. Hope you all had a great weekend and looking forward to the new trading week. I wanted to come on this morning and tell you a little bit about some of the updates that we've pushed for the Breakfree Trading Algorithm 5.0.1. So first of all, in classic Breakfree Trading style, we've brought back the coloured entry boxes. We've got the green entry, the blue take profit, and the orange stop loss back for you guys. So it's really clear on whether you're buying, selling, where to take your profit, and where to get out if the market goes against you. Now, when we zoom in on this entry level, you can actually see here we do have this split into three smaller boxes. We're bringing back the 3 positions rather than the 2 positions as part of this update as well. If we click over our position size tool, then we get our BFT panel popping up with our entry 1, entry 2, entry 3, along with our 3 take profit levels as well. One of the other cool features we've brought in is a manual risk control override. So you can actually click up and down on this risk to increase or decrease the percentage risk that you're taking for any particular position. So let's say, for example, I want to take a risk of only 1% on this trade. I just highlight it, type in 1, press enter, and it'll tell me exactly what position sizes I should take based on my account balance for this particular trade if I'm only taking 1% risk rather than the default 3.5%. If you do want to change those defaults, you can now click here into this cog and you can update on the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day time frame the amount of risk that you'd want to take for each different type of position. So let's say, for example, you prefer to take a lot less risk than what the typical 1 day swing trades would recommend to you. You can just change this here to 1.5 or to 1%, whatever it is that you'd prefer, and then click apply and it'll set as that default risk for you. Now, we would never recommend increasing the amount of risk, only decreasing the amount of risk if it's too much for you. Alright guys, those are the major features that we've updated. Hopefully you enjoy them and you get a lot out of them and it helps you improve your trading. So have a great week. Alright guys, thank you very much.